Wow. And we're back. Couple things to start the video. We're gonna try and get the block painted and accessory drive put on. That's the couple things. Not really a big plan for this video. Mainly just finishing up the motor, possibly starting on the steering rack, but we're gonna see how the week goes with what we have game planned. So the block's painted. We gotta let it dry for a couple minutes. That's drying, and then we're gonna get to reinstalling everything. $8 can of spray paint, I think, does a whole lot for a motor, honestly. I mean, I've pretty well rattle canned everything, so we'll see how the final product looks. And final product. Not too bad. Oversprayed a couple areas, nothing major. I'm gonna have to clean that off so that the gasket seals, but not too bad. I'm pretty happy with it. Are they super necessary? No. This is such a pain for no reason. And we're back. So while we're waiting on motor parts, I got some help here with me. This is Jacob. Jacob, say hi. Steering rack's in. I have outer tie rods on the way, but I'm considering running cut knuckles on the car. So we're gonna pull the knuckles off because we're here. We might as well do something, anything to help my case. We're gonna pull the knuckles off, waiting for motor parts, waiting for tie rods, waiting for steering rack boots. What? What is this even here for? Oh my gosh, is the bottom one like that? No, the bottom one looks okay. There's spider webs everywhere. Okay, we gotta start by pulling the brakes off. Once these are off, we can work on getting the upper control arm and the lower control arm dismounted. So we're gonna get into that, and hopefully it comes off easy. Hopefully. Yeah, this car needs a bath badly. How to destroy a ratchet 101.
I should have grabbed my Milwaukee case just so I had like I got it. Sorry. What he said to Jack is like, you have a team around him. That means they got close to the 2 scores.
And then
my mom's coming.
for real?
Yeah, there's 2 seconds left on the clock when he kicked it.
Cut back. All right, let's see the strength, Jacob. Brute strength here. Be careful bouncing like that. Holy fuck. Where'd you put the? Yeah. Cheater's pipe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. That was either the ratchet or the bolt.
This car's light as fuck.
Good. All right, so we had to go get a ball joint separator because smacking it with a hammer does not work. So we got this. We're gonna see if this works. Well, I blew the ball joint out, so destroyed. Damn.
At least you get new nuts now.
I guess that's, yeah, think positive about everything. Now I get to get fancy new hardware.
Might be a little expensive, but hey, that's alright.
Fuck, it just popped, dude.
Oh, it's gross, gross.
Sad face. Oh wow. Fuck! This car's gonna be brand new.
Give me that.
I wasn't even looking at this. That is awesome. The ball joints on the lower arms on these are bolted in. So I don't have to replace the lower arm. I just got to buy new ball joints because I destroyed it on both sides. Huge victory there. I thought I took an L and was going to have to replace the control arms. Not anymore. We already have this bolt out. We were wondering why we couldn't get it because it's dark over here. There's a third bolt for the ball joint right in there. So you got to take the lower strut mount off. Oh, okay. All right, cool. So third bolt, 17 mil right here.
Oh, your jack's still on this side, just chilling.
Oh. That bolt's out. Ball joint just slips out.
Oh yeah.
Now we gotta replace these. All right, so damn it. So now we got more parts to order. I guess if you see me mounting the steering rack, then that means I probably mounted it. But if not, then it didn't happen. So we have the ball joints out. Knuckles are off. We're gonna take some measurements on the knuckles just to see how much we have to cut, where to cut at, you know, do some research. New steering rack's in. I got boots on the way, outer tie rods on the way. And yeah, this is how she sits, waiting for parts. And we're back. We got some goodies. So I'll walk you through what all showed up. Spark plug wire set. Muy bueno. This right here is now stuck. Distributor spark plugs. Power steering rack boots. I'm excited about these. Still can't put the rack together. We still don't have outer tie rods, so rack's probably not going in this video, which is okay. The knuckles are at least off. That gives us something for a later video. But oil cooler seal. There's the part number for whoever needs it. We're gonna install this. We're still waiting on an alternator, lower ball joints, outer tie rods. All that stuff can be done later. But to wrap up this video, tiny important stuff like this. This was a huge milestone for me. This is my first full build, tear the block down kind of deal. I know we didn't pull the crank, whatever, shut up. We tore it down, we rebuilt it. I'm excited to see it hopefully run. You know, I don't want to get my hopes up too much, but huge stepping stone in this whole build. If you guys liked the video, if you guys enjoyed watching, please feel free to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Go work on your car and have fun. I'll see you guys in the next one.
After years, just got no smile.